Hello everyone, my name is Prakhar Mithil and I'm a software testing and automation engineer, and for almost a decade I have been working on real production systems, designing test frameworks, building CI/CD pipelines and solving problems right alongside developers and DevOps team. So my work has always been hands-on with Git and Jenkins at the core of everything I do. Now if you have never opened a terminal before, or if you have zero knowledge about Git and Jenkins, don't worry. That is completely fine with me. I'm going to teach you everything from scratch, step by step, and by the end, you will master Git and Jenkins with actual hands on experience. So, this course is not theory, not slides with bullet points, it's live commands, real pipelines, builds breaking and getting fixed exactly the way it happens in production. And so, then let me show you what you are going to build. So, then in the first part, you install Git, create your first repository, and start tracking your work with real commands in a real terminal, and you will see exactly how it feels when Git says initialized empty repository. So that's the start of version control. Then we'll be going to see branching in action. You will create branches, work in parallel, and merge the way actual teams do it every single day. And so then you'll understand how collaboration really works. Next, you'll open pull request on GitHub, review code, and understand the full team workflow. Developers, QA, automation testers, everyone comes together here. And so then you'll see how GitHub is not just storage, it's collaboration. Then we'll see Jenkins, installing Java, setting up Jenkins, and building your own small Python application. And so then you'll see how Jenkins connect directly with Git to automate everything. Then you'll build a pipeline that automatically runs your test every single time someone pushes code, whether it's a Freestyle job or a Jenkinsfile pipeline. Jenkins runs it. And so then when everything passes, Jenkins shows green, where green means clean. And then we'll intentionally break the software. We'll introduce a bug on purpose just to see what happens when the code fails, and so that Jenkins catches it automatically before it reaches any user, before anyone has to check anything. And you will see the red screen failure. By the end, you will have a complete CI/CD pipeline. Push code, tests run, build deploys automatically every time. And so then you'll see the stage view, checkout, show files, test, deploy, all turning green one by one, giving you instant visual feedback. Even parameterized builds, staging or productions run with just a drop down. So this course is for developers, QA engineers, SDETs, automation testers, and DevOps. Anyone who builds or ships software needs to know this. So everything in this course is shown live, real commands, real terminal, real Jenkins, and real builds breaking and being fixed. And so then if you want to actually know Git and Jenkins, not just read about them. This is the course. So let's build it together.